everyone, this is Mama, partner and designer at Blessing by Design. I love to cook and I've got lots of recipes that I need to organize from my big paper binder and desktop text files to digital. I want to introduce our recipes and menu digital planners that we've created for our store. I can't wait to carry my recipes with me every time I shop at the grocery store. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to import an image onto a recipe page. We've created this rustic baked potato soup recipe image that's available on our blog. But you can imagine that taking a screenshot from any recipe you might find on the web can be imported in a similar way. If you're familiar with digital planners, you might think of these recipe images as big stickers. We are using the planner on an iPad Pro with the GoodNotes 4 app. And of course, manually writing or typing a recipe are other options for using this digital recipe planner, but we'll cover that in another video. So first, you'll download the image of this recipe from our blog on our website. Next, you tap on the Extras tab and navigate to a blank page. Then you'll tap on this little icon in the upper left corner. Tap Edit and copy the desired page. Then navigate back to your tab where you're going to put it, which is soup and salad for today since our recipe is a soup. Tap on this icon again, but this time tap the plus icon in the top left. Tap the plus icon and tap Paste Copied Pages. Okay, so now that you have your recipe page, you are now ready to import the sticker. There are two ways to import the sticker once you've saved it to your device. You can either tap on this plus icon in the upper left, or you can press and hold anywhere on the screen. I recommend that you tap on the plus icon because it will import the image into the middle of the page. But if you tap and hold, the center of the image will be where your finger was. Okay, so now that I've imported the image, I just scale it to where it is the same size as the wood background and matches along the edges. And to place it, you can just tap this icon here. Even though the image covers all of your tabs, they will all still work. Now, head on over to blessingbydesign.com and get started getting those recipes organized. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.